Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my art channel. Today I have an inspiration to do a galaxy storm, something like that. I want to use a dark background. It is phthalo blue mixed with oxide black, and I will do some galaxy colors, and I will want to make a swirl over it with some galaxy paints, like galaxy clouds. Therefore I choose titanium white to make wonderful shades of blue and violet. I mixed a permanent blue violet with pearl blue. I mixed permanent red violet with pearl red. Then I have a leftover from my self-mixed violet. It is a permanent blue violet, permanent red violet, titanium white, a bit of oxide black. I think that was all. Then I have primary magenta, sky blue light from Amsterdam, and rich gold from PBO. Yes, I'm really excited how it will turn out. I never done this before like this. I really want to do a swirl, and yes, I had in my vision that it is yes, very cloudy, so I want to make at first my whole background with my mix of phthalo blue and oxide black, and then I will show you how I want to pour this colors over it. Okay, so let's start. I will blow it out with my blow dryer. Let's give it a torch to pop up the air bubbles. I made this background a little bit thicker, so I blow it out not that much because, like I said, I want to have it very cloudy, and therefore I need this dark background for my flow, that it blow it a little bit over it. Yes. Okay, now we are starting with the flow. I will start with my titanium white to make some direction for me. With my mix of permanent blue violet and pearl blue. You don't have to be even, I only do it like I feel now. Then my mixture of permanent red violet with pearl red. I'm really excited. Okay. I only do what I feel. Now my mix of the violet. I will go with my primary magenta. My sky blue light. some splashes of titanium white over my blue violet, red violet, primary magenta because of the amazing shades, but not so much because I have my swirl in blue and titanium white already. Now we'll go with my gold. Now I will make much more of my background color to give them a little bit to mix it up with this a little bit. Oh dear, I'm really excited how this will turn out. So, I will give it a torch. Yes. Now let's see what we can get. Okay, I will blow it out. I try. We see if I can do this like I made this swirl. Or if I only can make 2 rounds. We will see. So, let's blow it out. Here I have too much paint, but I don't want to blow this all over again. I tried to do something there with my mouth, I think. But the color shades, oh, it is amazing. Really, really, wow. I use a lot of paint, but it's really nice. These shades here, oh my god, and here, and oh, you will like it. So I will look up for my sides at first. Now let's look up for the design. Like I said, this is not really blowed out. There I have to do something. Let's see, so I will push this a little bit more here and this a little bit down. I like this here, and when I blow out this I could lose it, but what should I do? It looks like a bird. Really. Now that I see this bird, I don't want to blow it out. And I think... Did I have to blow it out? No. You will see, it is really like an eagle or something. I see so many things here. Dragons, fishes, universe. Wow, such a depth and so many vibrant colors. I don't know if I feel underwater or if I feel in a galaxy. I think I don't want to change anything. as longer as I look at it. I will give it a torch at first. Looks quite different as I expected, but wow. It is the whole universe, you know. It is not under the sea, it is not the galaxy. It is the whole universe. I can't explain it, how much, what energy it is. Wow. So much movement. So wonderful shades. Wow. That is really quite amazing. I can't wait to show you this piece. Yes, my friends, I'm done. I'm showing you the wet result. So, my dear friends, look at our magic flow from today. I'm really overwhelmed. I said something like a galaxy storm, like a swirl, that I had it in my vision. But this, look at it. For me it is a lot more than only a galaxy storm. For me it shows the whole, I don't know, the whole universe, the whole life. You see so many things in it. The whole evolution, somehow. And I love all these wonderful shades. Look at this. Like I said, I can't say if I feel like a galaxy or if I feel underwater. I see everything in this artwork. And here is this bird I said. See that? This is exactly a bird for me. And I can't blow over it. So I leave it. And this bird has to be in this wonderful artwork. Look at these shades. It is really amazing. I didn't mention it is a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. I forgot to say this. Yeah. I'm really, really happy how this beautiful artwork turned out. And I would love to read in the comments, what do you think about this artwork? What do you see in this artwork? Yes, I hope you had so much fun as I do, and I will post the finished and varnished result on my Instagram and Facebook account, and of course on my homepage. I will post all the links in the description of this video, and I would be very happy when you like this video, when you subscribe this video, or when you comment on it. So, I'm sure we will see us the next time. Have a nice day. Bye.